Hello, my lovely Aquarius. I welcome you all in my channel with whole heart, and I'm very happy that you are back in my channel. This is your soulmate love reading, in which I'm going to tell you what your soulmate is thinking about you, Aquarius, and what is happening in your soulmate life. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you like my video, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. Okay, Aquarius, I hope it resonate with you, because it's not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating with you and leave the rest. So let's see what's your life purpose. Okay, Aquarius, what's your life purpose? Let me tell you what your life purpose is, my Aquarius. What are the messages for my lovely magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world? What is the life purpose for them? Books. You connect your life purpose through the involvement with books. Yes, Aquarius, your life purpose involves books. So some of you already reading books, lots of always read books. So your life purpose involves book. Okay, you connect your life purpose through the involvement with books. Even I read lots of books. Okay, so your books are the life purpose, they involve with your life purpose. Let me see what are the Aquarius messages which I need to deliver. Heart desires. The angels are supporting, guiding, and protecting you as your dream become reality. Is your message. Heart desires. Okay, angels are supporting you. Time to decide. Make a decision based on your true heart desires. It's time you to decide. Okay, time to decide. What do you want, Aquarius? What your heart truly desires. Make a decision based on that. Okay, it's time to decide. You are on the right path. Keep doing what you are doing, because it's working, Aquarius. You are on a right path. It's a confirmation. Okay, whatever you are doing right. Because you are on a right path. Next is spiritual teacher. You heal with your classes, sections, and seminars. Maybe some of you can be a spiritual teacher, Aquarius, in your life. Okay, that can be your life purpose. Spiritual teacher. Okay, so it's a life purpose maybe for you to become a spiritual teacher. And body work. Your life purpose involves body work such as massage therapy, energy healing, physical therapy, or exercise training. Maybe some of you Aquarius are already a massage therapist, energy healer, physical therapist, energy training. So your body 0303 was the recording reading time. So your life purpose involves body work, because you Aquarius are born as healing other people. Okay, you are very powerful souls. You are the old souls. Okay, that you, if you do not know this, I am going to tell you what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius, which I need to deliver them. Okay, talk to your angels. Instead of worrying, ask for divine guidance. Yes, talk to your angels, Aquarius. They are trying to talk to you. Instead of worrying, ask for divine guidance. Career change. Maybe some of you are requiring career change right now. Maybe some of you Aquarius are changing your career. You are embarking upon a career that brings the joy and abundance you deserve and desire. Okay, so you are changing, a career change is indicated. Any other message for beautiful lovely Aquarius which I need to give? Any other message? Any other message? Okay. Okay, I need to stop here. So Aquarius, your life purpose involves traveling. Okay, maybe some of you travels a lot, but that's your life purpose. Okay, so your life purpose involves traveling. Okay, energy healing. Your natural energy healing abilities are important part of your life purpose. Yes, exactly. Some of you are born energy healers. That's your life purpose. Okay, you are natural. You have the ability of healing someone. You have the natural energy healing capacity in you. You are gifted by this energy by the divine. Okay, Aquarius. So let's see. School, the answers that you are seeking involves going to schools. That means that you need to study every time. Okay, so maybe you get your answers by learning something, by going to school. Okay, school is indicated. You get your answers into school. Yeah, even I get my answers through school. Okay, by going to school I got my answers. So yes, practice, polish your skills by practice regularly. Okay, Aquarius, practice makes a man perfect. So these are the your life lessons, which life purpose oracle messages which include your life purpose. Thank you so much for giving the life purpose oracle deck, for giving the messages to my Aquarius. Let's see. So Aquarius, this video is very excited always for me, because this is your soulmate reading. Let's see what are the power of love messages, because this video is full of love. Okay, so this is very excited part for me. What are the messages? Virtue, you acknowledge your loving spiritual attributes that encourage others to grow. Beautiful message for you. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Kindness. You are a humanitarian made of love, and you are able to share the energy with others. Yes, you are the only most humanitarian zodiac in all the signs, Aquarius. Okay, so kindness is the second message. Peacefulness, you recognize that balance, kindness and love bring calmness to your soul. Peacefulness. Any other message? Respect. They're asking me to stop, and I will stop here. Okay. Patience, forgiveness and respect. You value everyone's unique perspective on the path to love. Wow, respect. Patience is the next message. You are able to let the universe energy of transformation move according to its own loving rhythm. Patience is coming in each of the deck today, Aquarius. So some of you Aquarius needs to keep patience. Okay, forgiveness is also coming again and again. So Aquarius, you are now able to activate the power of love in order to release past hurts. Yes, release all past hurts. Okay, so that you can attract love in your life. Forgive each person who hurts you in the past, and forgive yourself too. So these are the messages from power of love. Let's see what are the messages from crazy sexy love notes. And after this I'm doing your love soulmate reading. Let's see what your soulmate is going through. Okay, and I will tell you what they think about you. What are the messages? What are the messages? Accept compliments. The next time someone gives you a compliment, say thank you. Don't shrug it off, play it down, or reject the gift. You will be denying yourself and the giver the opportunity to share in a moment of gratitude and love. Exercise your self-esteem and soak in it, superstar. Think of compliments as a little confidence building soul vitamins. You are worthy of praise. Okay, Aquarius, accept compliments. Listen is the next message. Are you talking more than you are listening? Do finish people's sentence for them. Shh. True connection is about how we make people feel and whether or not we are being open and present. Life is communicating with you, dear one. An important message is trying to get through. Let go of your fear of not being heard. You will get the chance. For now, just listen. So listen very carefully, Aquarius. Don't talk only. I know Aquarius are very talkative, but right now you need to listen. It's time to rise. No matter what's happening in our lives, we always have the potential to rise above. Rising is one powerful choice away. Rise out of our negative thoughts or our limiting beliefs. Rise out of our comfort zones or our complaints. Rise out of a slum or out of the potato chip bag. Get up and rise. What are you waiting for, darling? Okay, that was the message. And believe. There magic all around. Open to the wonders of the universe. Notice the connections and synchronicities. Follow your feelings and believe with all your heart. We successfully manifest our dreams when our feelings are in alignment with our plans. From that scared union, the right ideas take shapes and best relationships blossom. And the stuff that mean to be easily fall into place. Everything is possible. You need to believe in it, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius all over the world. Let's see what your soulmate is trying to tell you, what they are thinking about you, what they want to tell you. My beautiful Aquarius, they want to give you some messages and I'm here to deliver them out. Maybe they will not say you direct, but I am here to tell you that what they are thinking of. What they are thinking. Let me adjust it. Okay. So what is my Aquarius wants to know? Okay. You appreciate me. Your soulmates want that you appreciate them, Aquarius. You appreciate me. Your soulmate wants to tell you this. You are always there when I need you. They want to tell you that, okay? You were always there when they need you. They want to tell you that you are very forgiving. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you are very forgiving. You are crazy and dorky. You are crazy and dorky. Your soulmate wants to tell you that. Okay, you do silly things for me. They want to tell you that you do silly things for them. Beautiful. What does Aquarius soulmate wants to tell? Okay. You bring peace to me. They want to tell you that you bring peace to them, Aquarius. They want to tell you that you bring peace to me. You make me a better person. Wow. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you make them a better person, Aquarius. And your soulmate wants to tell you that you treat me like your princess or prince. Gender is not specific here. You can take gender according to your situation. But your soulmate wants to tell you that you treat them like a princess. You make me a positive person. Very important message. You make them a positive person. Wow. Soulmate wants to tell you a lot of things, Aquarius. Any other message? You and me deal with every situation very well. They want to tell you this. You and I have a great understanding. They want to tell you that. You look deep into my eyes. They want to tell you this. You hold me the way nobody else does. Your soulmate wants to tell you this. Wow. What else? What else? Anything else your soulmate wants to say? Let me see. Anything? Yeah, see, they want to say. You are wise and witty. You and I have so much in common. They want to tell you this. So, any other message? You hold me tight. They want to tell you this. Any other message? Okay. That's it. You never let me feel lonely. They want to tell you this, Aquarius, that you never feel them. Never let me feel lonely. You give me enough space, and that's very important, to give enough space in a relationship, Aquarius. And they want to tell you this, that you give them enough space. You make me feel that I'm worth something. Wow. You are my home. They want to tell you that you are my home, Aquarius. Wow. Beautiful messages from your soulmate, Aquarius. They want to give you so many things. They want to tell you so many things. And very important messages. Wow. Lovely, beautiful messages. They love you. Of course, they will love you. They are soulmates. You both are the soulmates. Let me see. Let me see. What are they going through in their life? What are the messages? What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? They're feeling like an hangman, but they're keeping the patience. Okay, what are the messages from the soulmate? What are the messages from the soulmate? Okay. Okay. Queen of Cups. They're keeping patience. Knight of Swords. They want to rush towards you. Tower. Stars. Wow. King of Wands. King of Wands was there in your main reading too, Aquarius. This is your soulmate reading. Wow, and see, they want to achieve 10 of Cups with you. This King of Wands is, they want to achieve some 10 of Cups with you. New, passionate love, love beginning. Any other message? Too many cards have even fallen out. Okay. They think that you have lot of options. 7 of Cups. And they think that you have lot of options, or they are having lot of options, but they think that you have lot of options in your life to choose, and they think that you are dealing into that, you are juggling in between two things, and they want to offer you two of Cups. See how beautiful it is. Your soulmate wants to offer you 2 of Cups. 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, both are there. Queen of Cups is there. 6 of Pentacles. Wow. Literally, wow. They want to offer you equal amount of give and take. That's it. They think that you are having lots of option in your life, but that's not true. I know that. See. Wow. You will get your clarity. Queen of Swords and King of Swords. You're getting your wish fulfillment. Ace of Swords. Then there is Queen of Swords who knows the truth, and you're getting your wish fulfillment card here. So Queen of Swords and King of Swords again appear in the reading, Aquarius. You are both having air in element in the chart. Maybe there is earth energy, there is water energy, every energy is there, it's there, but you are the pair, King and Queen of Swords. So yes, these cards just fallen out. You are at the crossroads making a decision. Okay, you are taking the energy of High Priestess, Aquarius, and there is 6 of Cups and the Lovers. This soulmate is from your past. You have both have spent so many lives together. 6 of Cups is past life connection. Okay, the person from your past, you both know each other. And the Lovers, the Lovers was there in your main reading too. Okay, so yes, you are dealing with your soulmate, Aquarius. And there is a Tower and there is Star. They are hoping for new hopes and desires. They are hoping some new hopes and desires. They were feeling like an hangman. They were feeling like an hangman, and they were thinking, and they are two rising as King of Swords. They think that there is some hidden hidden secrets or depths. Okay, but they were, 1 minute, let me adjust my things so that I can tell you out. They think that you have lot of options to choose, but they want to offer you, they want to offer you, see, they want to offer you Two of Cups, equal amount of give and take. See how beautiful it is. See, Two of Cups energy, equal amount of equal amount of give and take. And after this there is Six of Pentacles. They want to give equal in the relationship. There will be a balance in the relationship, and that's very important. Before this relationship you were juggling between two things. There was no balance in the situation. Okay, Two of Cups and Two of Wands. Either they are deciding to take a decision at the crossroads. Maybe they are at the crossroads, or you are at a crossroads. Okay, there are similar cards too in both of your readings. So there is High Priestess. Okay, you are rising as a High Priestess, guiding by intuitions, or they are taking charge of their life by High Priestess. And this is Six of Cups and Lovers. Both are there in your reading too. It was there. So you are dealing with your soulmate for sure, Aquarius. You are moving ahead with your intuitions. Okay, there is Queen of Swords and King of Swords. So yes, there is some soulmate energy, Aquarius. 10 of Cups. They wishing this 10 of Cups with you. They were hoping for new hopes and desires in life, and something is happening in their life too. Things are falling apart in their life too. Okay, because you both are mirror to each other, so same things will happen in both of the lives. So they were also wishing upon the star. But this is you, Aquarius. This is you. You were hoping for some new passion, new hopes, new desires, and you're getting it with the King of Wands energy. And King of Wands was there in your reading too. So yes, by it's always that whenever I do your soulmate reading, it's the cards are almost same, because you are the same person, you're the same soul basically. So yes, King of Swords and Queen of Swords, air energy, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You both are the air element, strong air element in the chart. Okay, so this is your past person. Six of Cups, Six of Cups and Lovers. You both want to give equal amount of give and take. And Two of Cups, beautiful. They want to offer you, they are keeping patience. They're feeling like an hangman, but they're keeping patience. They are keeping patience because they know the truth. They know the truth, and they think that there is some hidden secrets or depths that they did not know. But it's not right. It's not true, because Three of Cups, Queen of Cups. Maybe they thinking that there is some third party situation. You have lot of options in life to choose, but they want you back in life. Queen of Cups, they want their queen back in their life with lots of emotions. This Queen of Cups is full of emotions. 2323 was the recording reading time, and they want to rush towards you. Knight of Swords, they are rushing towards you. They get to know, okay, they get to know that you are giving them emotions. Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups, sorry, Queen of Cups and Knight of Swords. So they are rushing towards you. They get to know that there is emotions you want to offer them. Either they are at the crossroads, or either you are at the crossroads taking a decision. Two of Cups and Lovers. Wow, can you see soulmate cards? This is your soulmate. True. I love these cards. I love. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful cards, messages for my beautiful Aquarius. Wow, Aquarius. Congratulations. And let me know in the comment section whether you have met your soulmate or not. See, World card is also there in their reading too. They are also completing a karmic cycle. Yeah. Exactly the same, because you both are made for each other. You were the same soul which was divided into two parts by the divine and sent on this earth. They want to achieve 10 of cups with you. Happy family card. Happily ever married, okay? So they want to achieve you. How passionately they are looking at each other. See how beautiful this card is. I love this card. Okay, so yeah. Thank you so much. So this was your soulmate love reading. Let's add some charms for you. Let's see what are the charms. Elephant, clove leaf and fish. Some good news is coming towards you, Aquarius, with this leaf, clove leaf, and elephant is twice. So yes, you are getting strength from elephant. You are getting strength. You are getting your confidence back. You are moving ahead with lots of confidence. Strength is there. You getting the fish. That means some good news is there. No, they are asking me no. Okay, I'll not take it. So yes, these are the 4 charms for you. Strength, double strength is there. Maybe you are connecting with your twin flame. That's why there is 2. This is in 2. Yes, you are connecting with your twin flame energy. You are moving ahead with your soulmate. That's why there is 2 elephants. Okay. Wow. Thank you so much for connecting, for giving the beautiful messages for my Aquarius. I hope this soulmate reading resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can leave it out, Aquarius, and do let me know in the comment section whether you like my reading or not, whether you want to ask me anything. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Till the time, you can take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.